6.
Good evening, everyone. Subpoenas to Catholic dioceses across New York State have been issued as part of an ongoing investigation into sex abuse cases.
And the state attorney general is leading the charge. These subpoenas seek documents related to abuse allegations, payments to victims, or findings from internal church investigations. They come on the heels of sex abuse claims in Pennsylvania, and as priests face new accusations in Western New York, including right here in Rochester. Local DAs are partnering in the investigation. Ashley Edlin tells us how.
Well, Dorley says she has had a conversation with other district attorneys about how to proceed. She says they are planning to go over what the Attorney General has decided. Dorley says there are no active cases at this point in Monroe County, at least open cases that fall within the statute of limitations. But she is encouraging anyone who was a victim to come forward. Dorley says their next move will depend on what turns up on the clergy abuse hotline, an online complaint form the AG is setting up.
But obviously, if there's anything new that turns up on this hotline that the AG is going to put in place, we will, absolutely sit down with the diocese, we'll sit down with the victim and get to the bottom of it and prosecute it like we would any other case.
The Rochester Catholic Diocese has confirmed they have received the Attorney General's subpoena and they are reviewing it. A spokesperson told us today we have a long-standing policy of cooperation with law enforcement, and certainly it will continue in this process. We encourage all victims to report to civil authorities. We report to civil authorities allegations of the sexual abuse of a minor. Maureen.
Ashley, thank you. The state attorney general has started a hotline to get tips from the public. Victims and anyone with information about clergy abuse can call 1-800-771-7755. We have more information regarding the hotline at rochesterfirst.com.